Energy storage is some of the most important technology coming to market because it is going to enable and secure our future. But there's a huge war going on in energy storage. Batteries versus supercapacitors. Anybody heard of it? Well, one's good in some respect and the other not so much. Capacitech has a plan, a radical plan, to help companies use both. Hi, my name is joe.sleppy. I'm the CEO of Capacitech Energy, and my team of material science experts and I are bringing a new type of capacitor to industry, one that is in the shape of a wire. We call it the cable-based capacitor, and it is positioned to create a new segment on top of the $30 billion capacitor industry. Now, when we launched this company, we did not focus on performance like most people do. We focused on the form factor because we realized we could always buy whatever the best energy storage materials of the day. Let's buy those and put it into our form factor. The form factor is far more sustainable by innovating that instead. Great. Guess what? It works. That video above that's playing on a loop, you can see 10-centimeter long cables. They have 2 farads or more each. They're connected in parallel to run that fan in our lab. Great, we've got it. We've got energy storage. This is wonderful. But it's also been independently verified as having a TRL of 6, something that a lot of advanced energy storage companies can't get to because they'll never meet the requirements set by the industry. Well, where do you use this, though? Well, there's wires, batteries, and capacitors pretty much everywhere. You've got solar power, you've got electric vehicles, you have wind turbines and data centers. You've also got space stations. And what Capacitech wants to do, what we are on this earth to do, is we want to build our energy storage materials into the wiring infrastructure that is connecting the power sources to their loads. By doing that, we're going to decrease any power fluctuations by at least 1,000%, reducing power fluctuations in a system. What that means for power electronics, it means more performance. It means higher efficiencies. It means longer operating life for the equipment. Longer operating life, which means lower operating expenses. Doing these things are what's going to help propel our technology to the future. However, it's hard to do all that when you're a startup, so we're focused on a very specific niche market, which is the residential solar industry. As shown in the blue diagram above, we plan to build our cable-based capacitors into those blue lines. Those are the DC power cords connecting solar panels to batteries and to the rest of the house. This helps save the homeowner money, which brings their return on investment faster. That is what we're doing. As a result of all these efforts, we've been named the top 30 energy storage startup in the world. We've raised over $700,000 from investors and from grants like the SBIR's TTR program. We believe that this technology can be further scaled to miniaturize electronics, provide backup power over Ethernet cables and data center applications. And of course, I would like to talk to all of you about how we can build energy storage into our wiring infrastructure so that we can build a beautiful and wonderful future together. Thanks.